Is Facebook down right now? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Facebook right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Facebook. I know that um, the problems with Facebook are mostly from the website. So the app seems to work okay, but on the website it's not working that well. It has some problems, so you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one who has problems with Facebook right now, and they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Facebook, you can comment in the comment section down below what specific problems you have. It's still down, it's working right now. You can tell that in the comments. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic, and you can also turn on that notification bell because we will post an update. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.